ago, everything got really dim. No bueno.
Why does it always seem like these jobs need done in the middle of a snowstorm?
Had an incident occur last night. We lost the serpentine belt. My 93 Jeep Wrangler here, 4.0 6-cylinder. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at what possibly went wrong. AC spins, power steering, pump spins, water pump, and fan are good. Here's what went wrong. The AC Idler pulley is completely seized. You know, look at the belt pattern here. If I had no AC, it would bypass this Idler pulley. And all this Idler pulley does is it creates a route that allows maximum rotation around the air conditioner unit. And so, actually, both of these I'm going to replace both of these idlers. That way we have, this one has a little wobble to it, so just have this feeling that it's going to be a matter of time before that one goes too.
Pardon me as I'm recording the last part of this video, but I'm a little sick. I have the 15 millimeter bolt that's holding the bottom of that pulley. To access the nut that's on the back side, you got to take the 15 millimeter bolt out of the bottom of the alternator like I just did. Loosen that top bolt and nut on the alternator. That'll give you the play to put a 6-inch extension on the 15 millimeter nut on the back side of that lower pulley. And you can access it and remove it that way. The top one's easy. It's just a 15 millimeter bolt and it comes right out easy peasy.
Okay, so if you're attempting the Idler pulley replacement, these are your two part numbers. This is your AutoZone part number, your O'Reilly's part number. This would be your O'Reilly belt for the AC version of the 4.0 liter Jeep motor. This is the number they said should work, the 98 and 1/8 inches. The 96 and 5/8 seemed to fit a lot better. This one was just too loosey-goosey when I tried it. Basically, what you're going to need for this job is you're going to need 13 millimeters for adjusting the power steering pump, and that's your adjustment for your belt tension. The 15 millimeters are what you're going to need for removing the alternator bolts and the Idler pulley bolts. The extension for sneaking behind the alternator to get that lower Idler pulley nut off, a decent ratchet. I don't know if, I have a long ratchet here, but maybe you would be better off with a shorter one in certain situations, so have both handy. I have a shorter one, just didn't end up ever pulling it out, but. Okay, so the last trick to getting this belt tension right is you gotta loosen these two bolts back here. The top one you can see how there's that slotted groove that it fits in. Well, there's the one it's lined up with it, and then you can see it sneaking out back behind there. There's another one with the slotted groove back there, so you gotta loosen that one. Those two, and then this top bolt. And then you got your pivot points for your power steering pump freed up so that you can use your adjustment nut or bolt right there. That way we can slide this power pump in and can get this belt the rest of the way around it because it's routed everywhere else. So yeah, hopefully that you guys find this video helpful. If you want to engage in the comments, go for it. I try to get back to people in a timely fashion if at all possible. Sometimes people troll me. It's all good. I know my voice is a little high-pitched, but you guys have a wonderful day. yeah, hopefully this video was helpful to somebody attempting this job.